Bienvenue guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some sausage bread rolls. Now for this recipe, we're going to be using some instant yeast. In here I have salt, I have Italian seasoning, and I have garlic powder, 1 egg yolk, melted butter, sugar, and here I have some warm milk. Let's get right into the recipe. So first we're going to go in with the dry ingredients. Sugar, the garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and salt mixed together. Just whisking it all together. Next I'm going in with my yeast. Whisk it as well. Now I'm going in with my egg yolk, followed by my melted butter and my warm milk. And now we're going to move to using our hands. Now the dough is slightly sticky, and that is fine. Now you can see all the specks of the Italian seasoning in there. I'm going to lightly oil this bowl, cover this up with plastic wrap for about 1 hour or until it has doubled or tripled in size, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So I just took my dough out. It's been just under 2 hours. I'm taking out as much of the air as possible. I'm going to lightly flour the surface. Next, I'm going to cut this in half. And then 1/4. So now we have 8 pieces. So I take 1 piece and you're going to form it into a ball. And now it's formed into a ball. Now I'm going to take my thumb, press in the middle, and then do this. Okay, and now I'm gonna start folding, press down, fold again, press down, fold again, and I'm gonna pinch it to close, and now I'm gonna roll. Then I'm gonna place it back on the mat. Great. And now we take our sausage and we start rolling. And with this end, and we're gonna face it this way. So this end will be at the bottom, and here is your sausage roll. Okay, So I'm going to cover them with a towel, a damp towel, place them somewhere where there is no draft. So I'm just going to place them in my oven. My oven is not on as yet. I'm going to place them in there for 30 minutes, and then we're going to be putting a egg wash on and then putting them into the oven to cook. So this is 30 minutes later, and now I'm going to brush my egg wash, which is an egg yolk and about a tablespoon of whole milk. Okay, I put the egg wash on. Now I have this seasoning, everything bagel. Now this is optional, and I like to add it when I'm making bagels. Now it has sesame seeds in there. I'm gonna put it on the bottom 4. Like I said, this is optional. Okay, and into the oven they go for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. And my sausage bread rolls are done. Let me just show you guys how soft. See, it just bounces right back. Yes. Yeah. Got all those layers. Guys, my son is sitting right there. Waiting for his. Go into the other one. Nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like my content, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and tune into my next video. Bye.